Okay. Hi. I found this game called The Addiction and I saw that was doing one. Who cares? I don't give a fuck. Okay, let's play. If I do not understand how's my audio bad, I am genuinely speaking the most best accent English of mine. I swear, I do not understand. If you all do not understand, I'm saying I do not know. I'm not talking in my usual voice. I'm talking in a voice where people will damn understand. I don't know. I don't know why I'm genuinely pissed off. I didn't fucking learn. There were scratches. Don't mind why I wasn't like listening to some. What the fuck? What do you think I mean? Aren't I so stupid of playing this damn ass game? Someone please daya kore, like please just Eeny, miny, mo catch a tiger by the toe. If it's too late, it will. My mother says to pick the very best one. It is Can't be just me money why? Oh yes. Also, I forgot. Wait. Yes, I'm too fucking lazy to say it. I have also exams. Can't be just me. Happy wise. Ini mini mani mo kacha take. I will be genuinely honest. If I will. Okay, wait. Alright, I'm back. Wait. I would genuinely rather was do a damn face reveal rather doing this. But I won't be doing any face reveal. I'm guessing on if I can take my tablet to school. Then enough. Then I will do festival. That's simple. Very big. ও খাটের ভিতরে I can't even choose one. I'm genuinely making one. I'm actually genuinely losing my insanity. I know what. You know what? Yeah. Well, what do you mean? I'm not blind. I forget Milo. Oh wait, Milo is a cat at our school. Alright. I do genuinely know. It's a joke, right? What do you do? You just be boom. You also don't know what? You don't know what? I don't know what to do. I just spent 4 minutes playing the game and not even understanding a single shit. I was sure that I couldn't play the game. Why is it now some reason? Mommy gets a job. Yes. Yes. Oh. What's your issue? I'm sure I'm falling. I don't care. What am I falling? Wait. Let's not talk what I'm following. Let's not talk what I'm following. I don't even know why I'm following someone who is like cosplaying as someone. If you're not from someone should. From if it. Oh yes, my mother is my kite. Look what question. Yeah. Let's not talk what wait. This is true. This is actually true. I'm also friends with the guy also. Generally, I'm sure that I just listen to maybe. Oh my god! What? I just remembered that I was supposed to drink water a while ago. The only that's going to mark. Who is this? Who is this person? What are you doing this though? What am I even doing right now, bro? What the hell am I doing right now? Y'all wanna see my avatar? Y'all not so This is the look. I'm hurting with a fading dream. She has her tears crying at the end of summer. I forgot who made this. I saw one of my friends logged into my account and made this. I genuinely swear. Oh yeah, after I got my account. That's so weird. I think before this I didn't know this. I don't like this shit. I just like this. These are the avatars. Yo, why you look so thick, bro? What do I haven't got? This extra jump. I don't like you. I don't like your friend. The kid of and don't talk to me again. Where I am the dollar. I will not drop to my knees. Provide you again. Never bother to the king. You were sent from the girl. How many t-shirts? The t-shirt of this perfect, I'm sure. Yes. What do you have epic festival? I don't remember buying it. I'm genuinely being honest. I don't remember making that or buying it. I don't know what to post about. So, you know, I'm gonna be like seeing gameplay of this after a few minutes. Yeah. Bye bye.